I recently came across a real-world example that made me appreciate how important insurance is for marketing consultants. An experienced consultant made a small typo in a promotional email, one wrong digit in a discount code. The result? The client's entire campaign failed, and the consultant had to pay for the losses herself. It was thousands of dollars gone in an instant. With Next Insurance professional liability coverage, that financial hit could have been avoided. This insurance is designed to protect service professionals when a client claims your work caused them a loss, even if the mistake is minor. It covers legal fees, claim settlements, and related costs. It's affordable, easy to set up, and can save you from a nightmare scenario. Don't let one slip up derail your business. Click my link in the description and get a tailored quote from Next Insurance today.